Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. Today, in celebration of you guys, our friends, we're going to be showing you how to make friendship bracelets out of embroidery thread. Let's get started. So start by cutting 4 different pieces of embroidery thread to about 60 inches. If this is your first time making a bracelet like this, you probably want to use 4 different colors. It's going to be easiest to tell your different strands apart that way. Once you get your 60-inch lengths, fold your cord in half and line up all the ends. And then tie a knot on the folded end. So we have about an inch long loop. And then to keep that secure while we're knotting, I'm going to use some tape. Just tape that down to your work surface. You can also use a safety pin or a clipboard to hold your bracelet in place as you're working. Then go ahead and split all your cords apart. I've got blue, then green, white, and then light blue. So to make that chevron pattern, we're going to be starting at both sides and working our way towards the middle. So we're going to start by making what's called a forward knot on the left side. We're going to bring our outside cord over the top of the green cord, making what looks like a 4. As a mnemonic device, you can remember 4 and forward knot. And on this other side, we're going to be making a backward knot, and it's going to look more like a P. So outer cord going over the top of the next one and up through the middle. Basically a half hitch. And then pull that down tight, and then we're just going to be making another one right on top of that with the same 2 cords. So now this blue cord is going to lay right next to where our green cord was. And we're going to be tying the blue cord onto the white cord. So again, our 4. And then loop it up and through. Once again. Then one more time on this right side, the dark blue over the light blue. So our dark blue cord is right down the middle. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right side. So now instead of a 4, we've got a P. Bring that over the top and up through the loop. Once more. And do the same as we did on the other side. So white is next. You want to keep your straight cord as tight as possible and tying your knotting cord around it. That way your knotting cord ends up being the color that you see, and that's going to make our stripes. So once you get both cords to the middle, with that left cord that we just wrapped around these 3, we're going to keep on going and do the same thing around the other blue cord. When you have all different colored cords, this is the hardest part because both of your cords are going to be the same color. So I'm going to make 2 knots in the shape of a P. That knot that comes through the loop, bring that back over to the right, and do it once more. And then on that second knot, keep it on the left. So it's kind of hard to see right now, but we've started that chevron pattern with our dark blue. The pattern will start to come out more once we keep on going with the next colors. So next we're going to use green and weave those to the center, like we did the blue. So there with a little closer view, you can see the pattern starting to come out. Looks like I wasn't tying my knots quite as tightly as I should, so I'll watch that as I keep on going on. Otherwise, we'll catch you at the end and show you guys how to finish it off. Alright, so I could weave the outside cords in a little bit more to have a flush end, but I'm just going to go ahead and do another overhand knot like we did at the start. I'm going to tie it a little bit higher up so that it'll slide right into place. Pinch it up tight against the braid. And then you can finish this off with a button, and I've got one here. But honestly, at summer camp, people usually just tie them on and leave them there the rest of the summer. In this thin cord, the knots tie pretty well, but I'm going to tie more than two just to be safe, because we don't want to cut our cord and have the button fall off. That kind of makes the rest of the bracelet unusable. We'll put a link in the description to our store where you can find this embroidery floss. It comes in big bulk packages, so it's great for group projects. So all in all, that bracelet took about 3 to 4 hours. With kids, it'll take even a little bit longer, but if you've got a long afternoon, it's a great activity to keep kids occupied, and it's a lot of fun. So there you have it, the finished friendship bracelet. We'll put links to the embroidery thread used down in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And just pin it onto your jeans if you're at a camp. If you did, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. Otherwise, see you later. So, finish. I missed my bracelet. That's the freckle.